pretty sure my problem is that the ignition coil itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in this video how to remove it. And there's clips on the side, and they fly off like that. So just keep an eye out for that. And there's one on the other side, right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this off, see if cleaning off the rust solves it. You can't re-gap this because, as you can see, the armature goes all the way around the rotor. So this middle part or the magnet is called the rotor. This part is the armature, so it goes all around, so you can't re-gap this. There are some models where it's just at the top, and then you can lower it to just the gap between them. This one you can't. And hopefully, but there's not a lot of rust on this, so I don't think this is gonna work. But I've already located a part number, which is 290880. That's what's on the manual. But there's also 292104. I think they're interchanged, and they interchange between various models. There used to be some yellow writing there. 232804. It says there, but it's barely legible. And then what I'm gonna do is, so that I can use this as is, I'm just gonna use the point system, keep it there, because that's fine. And I'm gonna connect an ignition coil, a 12-volt automotive ignition coil from the car, and just use a battery. Use a battery and ignition coil from the car to generate the spark in this thing. And so that'll be the next video.